tyres can betray us when we need them the most. That's what I have experienced. It's either I am unlucky or that's just how tyres roll. But we don't have to sweat over it, as we bring you a portable digital gadget which can inflate a tyre in just 6 minutes and is even rechargeable. We also feature a smart sensing boxing glove that tracks your motion and shows your performance with unique lighting effects all in real time. Welcome to ChilliTech. In today's video we show you some incredible products as well as a cool piece of retro tech at the end. So stick around until then, give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Number 1. Move It Swift. The Move It Swift smart boxing gloves with 6-axis motion sensor and patented algorithms track your every motion and tell your performance with unique lighting effects, all in real time. Also, you can enjoy online programs and professional instructions and review your workout summaries on the app. However, with patented algorithms, the app will show your punching data in real time, such as force, speed and calories. Furthermore, it will learn your punching style, which means the more you use it, the more precise the algorithms will be. Additionally, the gloves come equipped with interactive lighting effects that can respond to your workout intensity, helping you understand your workout progress at a glance. Therefore, its dynamic changing lights make your punches look distinctive and unique. So, its patented algorithms will optimize your training style. However, this can help you scientifically assess your own workouts, so you can avoid injury and maximize your efficiency, speed and power. Number 2. Rotablade Pendulum. The Rotablade Pendulum Mark II fidget toy is made of sturdy stainless steel with machined grips. It has arms with bearings for friction-free movement. It's based on chaos theory of a double pendulum and random motion where the motions are unpredictable for every spin, according to the manufacturer. It can even flick and spin to create random movements. The pendulum has hundreds of different ways to occupy the hand spinning, flicking, generating a gyroscopic effect. The possibilities are endless. Number 3. Revopoint POP 3D Scanner. POP is a consumer-grade, high-precision 3D scanner developed by experts at Revopoint from Shenzhen. Compared to existing products on the market, POP has the advantages of high precision and low power consumption while offering an affordable price. Simultaneously, it has multi-terminal coverage, i.e. it can be used with mobile phones, notebooks or computers, making it user-friendly. As a representative revolutionary technology in the manufacturing field, 3D printing has been gradually receiving more attention. Since the invention of affordable household 3D printers, millions of them have entered consumers' homes every year and have become scorching hot property. However, the challenging part for 3D printing remains to be 3D modelling. Therefore, precise 3D scanning is a perfect starting point for 3D printing creativity. Besides, 3D scanners can also be used for customised product design, cultural relic conservation, VR, AR and other applications. Hence, an affordable, precise and handy 3D scanner like Revopoint POP could very well be the next big thing. Number 4. Kobra E-scooter. The Italian e-scooter is characterized by its modern style, but above all by its safety it gives the user. There are 2 models of Kobra: Smart, which is more directed towards the urban environment, and Climber, which can be used for heavier services. Both scooters have a wheel of 50 cm and diameter in the front and 40 cm in the rear, and these wheels are covered with pneumatic tyres. Scooter power is provided by electronically activated mechanical disc brakes. It also has an EABS system. The rear wheel additionally packs a hub motor, 350 watts on the Smart and 500 watts on the Climber, which is powered by a lithium battery placed on the structure. With an average load, the e-scooter can reach over 100 kilometers at a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Due to its powerful engine, Climber is considered capable of facing slopes of up to 35 degrees, while Smart reaches only 22 degrees. With a structure inspired by motorcycles, It is made of stainless steel tubes, so rust should not be a problem. Some of the other characteristics of the Kobra include cruise control, regenerative braking, and integrated rear lights. Number 5. Clean Capsule. Described as the next generation tyre inflator, Capsule promises to fully inflate a car tyre in just 6 minutes, while the time to take to inflate a bicycle tyre drops to just 50 seconds. If you own a motorcycle, Capsule can take care of the job in just 2.5 minutes, while a ball can be inflated in just 15 seconds. Coming with a 2600 mAh battery that can be recharged via a USB port, this device is said to be powerful enough to inflate 4 car tyres, 8 motorcycle tyres, 28 bicycle tyres and 50 basketballs according to the parent company. There's an LCD display that indicates the current pressure in the tyre. It also has an auto stop function to reach a preset pressure level. In other words, you configure Capsule to inflate your tyre to a specific level, and the device then takes care of everything for you, as it's capable of stopping the process automatically when it reaches the defined threshold. The device offers up to 150 psi and is equipped with a series of different nozzles to inflate not only tyres but also balls. It also supports DC power when it's running low on battery and integrates a flashlight that you can use in low light. And now our cool piece of retro tech. PhoneMate 400 answering machine. The idea of an answering machine weighing more than a few ounces may sound ludicrous by today's standards, but in 1971, PhoneMate's £10 Model 400 was viewed as a glimpse of the future. The Model 400 was considered the first answering machine designed for the home during a time when the technology was only commonly found in workplaces. It held roughly 20 messages and enabled owners to listen to voicemails privately through an earphone. As always, product links are in the description below. If you guys want to know more about these products or want us to make a video on any specific products, let us know in the comments section. We will be happy to oblige. But for now, don't forget to give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Adios amigos.